Hey, buddy, you're kind of blocking the road.
How's it going, sir?
I'm going fine.
Do you have your ID on you?
No. You got yours?
I do.
Can you tell me your name and badge number?
It's right here on my vest.
And...
What's your name, sir?
Oh, there's two of you.
Yes, what's your name, sir?
What's your first name?
What's your name? What is your name and date of birth, sir?
I'm sorry, I'm not going to give that information at this time.
So you're failing to identify yourself? You realize that's obstructing your identification?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is, sir.
This guy comes up, he's blocking the road.
Yes, sir.
And he's saying, I need your name. I need your name. He said that's obstruction.
Sir, I'm Sergeant Olson. Can you speak to me?
Yeah.
So what's going on today, sir?
All right. For the record, can I have your name and badge number?
Sergeant Olson, star 241 of the press.
Can I have 10 feet?
Sir, he does not have to stand 10 feet. He can stand where he likes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir. You're not. If you don't want, would you like to speak with us today?
I can talk to you a little bit, but I don't want him behind me.
Sir, well,
do you understand?
For my safety and my partner's safety, sir.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Well, for my safety, I want you both in my field of view.
Sir, if you want to speak with us, you can speak with us. If you don't,
All right.
That's your
Then I guess I don't want to talk to you if he's going to stand right there.
Well, he is going to stand right there, sir. I don't know you. You don't know me.
All right. So did I get your name, badge number 241?
Yes,
Olson?
Would you like it again, sir?
No, that's good. Thank you. But he didn't say his. He didn't give me his.
Officer Masiak, Crestwood Police, star 210.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right, sir. Would you like to speak to me, or are we trying to cause a confrontation?
No way. No way.
Okay, well, I see you have an American flag hat on, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so can I ask you what's going on today? We're just trying to get to the bottom of what's happening.
Well, I got 3 cameras, so I'll give you three guesses.
I'm not going to play this guessing game, sir. I'm not. Right now, I have way too much to do.
Okay.
And I'm way too busy to sit here and argue and go back and forth with you and play a guessing
All right,
game.
I'll make it short, simple, Sergeant. All I'm doing is recording and taking video, pictures. That's it. They got tanks out here. You can see all this from the highway.
Okay.
You know,
okay.
I never went on their property. I made sure I stayed off. I was on the road. I was on the sidewalk. I'm just recording. That's it.
We got called here. We have a job to do. So we came out. We came to speak to you. Obviously, you're recording whatever you're recording, the tanks, whatnot. You may have people on edge considering that this is a government building. From what we were told, they've building people coming in and out.
Well,
just so you're aware. That's all that it comes down to.
All right, let me address that. First of all, number one, they came out. One guy came out. He said, did you go and get permission? I said, no, I'm not going on property, so I can't go in there and get permission. Okay, but he was very nice. He never said, hey, I'm calling the cops or anything like that. We had a nice conversation, and he went back inside.
Okay.
So I don't know what the big deal is. And second of all, look at this place. It's like Fort Knox. They got tanks. They got a big cannon over there. I'm sure they got tons of guns in there. So what could I do with my little cameras to hurt them?
Sir, I'm not sure exactly where you're going with it or not going with it. All I'm telling you is we got called here. Obviously, we're disturbed that you were out here videoing Army and National Guard walking into the building in uniform. You do have an American flag hat on and almost a military style hat on. So they were just wondering. It's almost camel, so that maybe that's what
fishing.
I was implying.
Fishing hat.
Okay. Well, is it like mine, like a baseball cap? Or?
Yeah, it's a baseball cap. It's got like
okay, so I'm not here to argue with you.
I love this hat.
I see that you're a little argumentative, and that's the way you want to be. That's fine.
This guy, he came rolling up and demanded my ID.
Identification, sir. That's it.
No, you didn't ask. I have a video. You didn't ask me. You demanded.
Right, sir, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Stay. I hope you realize the area that right now where you're in and stuff like that. I would just be careful.
I know.
Okay?
I know.
All right. Standing out here videotaping, especially videotaping cars and stuff going by, may not be the safest choice. Okay?
All right.
So, sir, have a great day.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
You guys have a good day and be safe.
Sorry, sir. Are you still recording?
What's that?
If you'd like to keep recording, I just wanted to advise you, though. At this point forward, we are told we've already confirmed with them, that if you step foot on their property at all in any way, so this property or that property, they will have you arrested for trespass.
Okay.
I just want to let you, so we're all on the same page.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so have a good day, sir.
Just for today or any day?
They do not want you back there on this property at all.
So I can never sign up?
They don't. That's as far as sign up with a recruiter, wherever. They don't want you on this property or that property.
I think I'm too old anyway, but I'm too old. All right. Well, thanks.
I'm just telling you, so I don't want to see anybody get jammed up. God bless, sir.
Cool.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you. It's not cool. The Army doesn't want me.
In this situation, the cameraman remained outside the restricted area, did not interfere with government operations, and showed no signs of trespassing. Even so, he was approached and asked to identify himself simply because he was holding a camera. When filming is treated as suspicious without objective facts to support that conclusion, the line between ensuring security and respecting constitutional rights can easily become blurred. If you believe the right to record in public should be respected, please leave the number 5 in the comments section below.
How are you guys?
Engine 34 driving to Stonehenge.
Engine 34, copy.
How are you?
Engine 34, come in on the west driveway, stage of the hydrant.
Who are you?
Copy, west driveway, stage of the hydrant.
Can I help you?
Squad 33 is making entry.
Squad 33,
Excuse
copy.
me, I don't want to be filmed. Please turn that off.
I've looked at the Google map and tried the businesses that Google is showing me at that address, but we just don't have any local files for those businesses.
Can you tell me who you are?
10-4. Yeah, I mean the structure, like it's compromised as far as the wall integrity actually holding up. So I don't know how long that will last.
Actually, where it does look like the fire's out at this time. Staff were able to get with the fire extinguisher.
How are you today? Anything we can do for you?
124, you can show me in the area. 25 days,
Hey, let me know if there's anything I can do for you.
24. Copy.
Metro G31, show me clear.
Hi,
I'm protesting.
Yep.
I'm protesting. I'm not impeding
You
anything.
can't stop on a sidewalk.
Go ahead and write the ticket. Go ahead and write the
Stop
ticket.
on the sidewalk.
Go ahead and write the ticket. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not obstructing anything. Several people have walked by. I've got it on camera, and so does that gentleman.
That's okay.
Welcome to America.
Move along.
Welcome to America.
Move along.
I'm going nowhere. Write the ticket.
Do you understand that you're impeding? So
I understand that I am obstructing nothing.
Do you want me to take you?
I understand I'm obstructing
Do you want me to take
nothing.
this for evidence purposes?
I understand I'm obstructing nothing. You go ahead and try to violate my First Amendment and see how fast that's going to get you. See where that gets you. Go ahead and call your supervisor. I'd like a supervisor here, Nelson.
That's it.
Call your supervisor.
They're not working today.
Oh, beautiful. Write the ticket.
Move off the sidewalk.
No, I can't go off the
And then you're
sidewalk.
going to be on private property.
Exactly.
Yeah, and you can't impede.
Exactly. I'm not impeding anything.
Sure you are. Those people have to go around you.
Those people walk past me without no impediment.
Doesn't matter.
I got all kinds of evidence
you
here.
Can move.
You know how much film I got right here? You know how many cameras I got on right now?
That's fine.
Huh?
That's fine.
Yeah. People are not impeded by anything. Try something else, North. Write the ticket. I'll take the ticket if you're going to write
Your
it.
identification?
Write the ticket.
Do you have your identification, sir?
Get your ticket book out. I have no problem identifying with you if you write the ticket. Write the ticket. I am not identifying absent you writing the ticket. I have a Fourth Amendment right to be secure in my papers, which includes my identity. I have a Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Let's see here. What does this say here? Welcome to America, sir. Can you read those?
And you know there's city ordinances as well.
And do you know city ordinances do not trump the Constitution of the United States of America?
So
did you swear an oath to protect the Constitution or not, sir? Did you swear an oath to protect the Constitution?
I
so
did.
Protect it. I have a First Amendment right to be here.
And you can move along the sidewalk.
And I have a First Amendment right to protest.
And you can move along.
I have a First Amendment right to protest.
And you can move along the sidewalk.
You cannot dictate to me how I do my protest, sir. Thank you. I have a First Amendment right to protest. And you, the government, right here is your orders. What does it say right there on the first one? Which do not trump the Constitution.
But
they don't trump the Constitution.
Are considered law. Yeah,
they don't trump the Constitution.
But they are considered
Marbury
law.
versus Madison.
They are considered
Marbury versus Madison. Marbury versus Madison.
Yep.
Marbury versus Madison.
Yep.
Marbury versus Madison. Let's go to court.
I heard you 25 times.
Let's go to court.
I heard you.
Write the ticket. Get your ticket book out and I'll identify.
Do you have your identification?
Write your ticket. Get your ticket book out and I'll identify.
I don't have a ticket book. I do it on the computer. You know this. Officer Shade already dealt with you before, right?
Yeah, so you already know who I am. You don't need my ID.
I don't know who you are.
Oh, there you go. Officer Shade's already dealt with me. You know who you're dealing with. I have a First Amendment right to protest. Since you already know who I am, go ahead and write your ticket.
I don't know who you are.
I'm
just telling you that
you already said somebody's already dealt with me.
Sure, they have.
Okay, so what did they tell you, huh? They told you the same thing. I have a right to be here.
What do you mean, what did he tell me?
Okay, there you go. What does that say? What does that say right there? Can you read that? Can you read that right there?
I don't need to read it.
That's your law. The first law. First law. Anything that interferes with that law can be ignored with impunity. Marbury versus Madison.
What's that?
Impeding traffic?
Oh yeah, look at all them people impeding the sidewalk over there. Right? All these people impeding the sidewalk. I'm clearly on the edge, not in the middle.
Remind me your first name.
I'm not telling you.
Well, we need your
If you're going to cite me, get the ticket book out.
You're being detained. There's no ticket book. It's all on the computer. So you're required
wait,
you're required by law.
Let me hear you. I want to make sure I got it. You said I am being detained. What crime are you going to write me a ticket for?
A sidewalk.
I am obstructing a sidewalk.
Yeah.
Let's be clear here that there's plenty of space here to pass. Let's talk about obstruction. Let's talk about obstruction.
That's impeding the flow.
No, it's not.
Traffic.
No, it is not. And I got it on tape. I'll take your ticket. Give me a minute and I'll give you my ID.
Okay.
I'll take your ticket.
Okay, perfect.
I want you to understand
Appreciate you.
that you are violating my First Amendment right here.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you.
You are touching me.
No, I'm in front of my camera. You don't like it, back up, bitch.
You're touching me.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
There's
you are.
nothing there. No, you even got a body camera. You got Dawn?
Yeah.
Good. I'm glad the evidence will show that. What does this say here? Freedom of religion, speech, and press. Congress shall make no law respecting the establishment of a religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of the speech or of the press, the right of the people to peacefully assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. Welcome to the protest. I have a right to be here. I have a right to protest. And you don't get to dictate to me how I protest.
Did I say how you can protest?
No, you don't get a right to dictate to me how I get a protest.
Did I say I did?
No, I'm telling you guys, you're law enforcement. You're wearing the same gang outfit that these guys are. Came up and threatened me. I'm talking about that thin blue line gang y'all belong to. I am reaching for my identification. Please be made to infringe that.
Yeah, except
now.
Go ahead.
No, wait, no, I want it on camera here that you are taking my ID under threat of citation.
It's not threat of citation. You are being cited.
Perfect. Can't wait to see you guys in court. You guys get to learn what the Constitution means. That's what y'all swore an oath to protect, right? Swore an oath to protect the Constitution? No, you didn't?
No, I just think you're being ridiculous.
I'm being ridiculous? Who is having their rights violated for doing nothing more than standing on a sidewalk filming? Photography is not a crime, sir.
Obstructing the sidewalk.
Photography, I've not obstructed. What evidence do you have I've obstructed anything? I have 8 cameras that show people walking by unobstructed. Welcome to America. Good luck with this one, guys. Guess who's going to be in Utah County and Provo forever doing this?
To what effect?
Until you guys learn you don't have the right to come violate people's rights.
Who's violating people's rights?
Did he just not take my identification?
He can lawfully
Violation of a Fourth Amendment right when there is no crime that's been committed. No crime's been committed. We'll see in court.
Probable cause for obstructing.
No, you have no evidence. There's no reasonable articulable fact to support anything you're spouting. Nothing but a claim that doesn't exist. No injured party. No crime. Protest. First Amendment protest. You cannot infringe that. Very first law you swore to uphold.
Have I told you I can't protest?
Wait, you know what? It goes above that first thing, because it's not a law. The Constitution supersedes law.
They're trying to get out right there.
Yeah, and you guys are obstructing the way. He can't. There's a car in the way. It's being obstructed. This pathway is being... this is evidence of obstruction. This is evidence of obstruction. Right here. These guys, they think they're above the law. Clearly obstructed the pathway here. Not standing to the side like you should, allowing people easy egress to and from wherever they're going, as I clearly was. Meaning to make you feel threatened. Not meaning to make you feel threatened. You have nothing to fear from me. I will never harm you. Never.
I don't know you, so
I understand that. I'm verbally telling you, you have nothing to fear from me.
We are allowed to park irrespective of traffic laws while doing our duty.
Absolutely, I know you can.
So
and that's a clear example of something that's being obstructed. I don't give a what your says. That's a clear example of obstruction. Me standing on the edge of a sidewalk, allowing people to pass unimpeded, is not obstruction any way you cops-plain it.
While alarming churchgoers.
I didn't alarm nobody. I never said a word to nobody. Yourself with your alarms.
Why are you yelling? I'm not
because
yelling.
I want to be heard. And I have a right to redress my government.
Okay.
I have a right to free speech.
Okay.
And your city ordinances do not supersede that right.
So what does this accomplish?
What does this accomplish? What does this accomplish? Tell me.
I'm asking you.
Why are you here?
Because I got a call.
For what? For a man lawfully exercising his rights peacefully on a public right of... Good try with that bull cop-splaining that means nothing. Means nothing. I'm doing a story here. I'm doing a story here. First Amendment protected activity. And you guys are here interfering with my First Amendment protected activity right now. Court. I'll see you in court. I'm suing your department for this violation. Your qualified immunity's out the window because y'all already told me that you swore an oath to protect the Constitution. Not feelings. Not
Mr.
feelings.
Gardner, I don't really care about feelings. I care
Of
about
course you don't. Obviously you don't.
Go ahead.
Don't give a about anything, huh? You obviously don't give a about the oath you swore.
I give a
You might as well piss on that. Your word means nothing.
Copy on the mark.
Your word means nothing. You're out here violating my rights for nothing. Because I'm being an activist. Because I was quietly, peacefully protesting until I was accosted by men with guns.
accosted.
Yeah. Don't you understand what the word means? Go look it up.
I don't think anybody.
Go look it up.
I don't think anybody's
Go look it
infringed
up.
on any.
Go look it up.
With you today,
Did you
sir.
take my right? Did you take my ID? Fourth Amendment violation.
It is?
Yes, it is. We'll see you in
Can
court.
you show me that?
We'll see you in court. Yeah, I just did. Oh, what does that say right there? First Amendment. First Amendment. That's it. No law. No law. What does it say, head? God, you're dumber than dirt. Hey, and guess who's going to be here at the church for the rest of the day? Going nowhere. Going nowhere. Welcome to America, my friends.
Instead of explaining what rule the cameraman had allegedly violated or how his conduct was interfering with anything, the officers instructed him to leave, demanded identification, and warned that enforcement action could follow. Throughout the interaction, the cameraman repeatedly asked for the specific legal basis supporting those demands. When an officer restricts a person's freedom or issues mandatory orders, those actions should be supported by a clear and articulable legal basis. If that legal basis cannot be explained, it raises an important question in this situation: whether the officer's authority was being exercised within the limits established by law.
Can't hear you, the traffic. What's up?
Can we help you guys with anything?
What are you offering?
We're just seeing if you guys need help with anything. And then we also want to let you know sometimes trucks take these corners. I saw you over there on that corner.
Well, if they go in where I'm standing, then they don't know how to drive.
Yeah, just some of the semis do. We're just trying.
And who are you?
I'm with security here.
I get that. Who are you?
My name's Caleb.
And
Allied Universal. Yep.
So are you like the supervisor for security or something?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, so what can we do for you?
We were just seeing if you guys need help with anything. I mean, you guys are on public property, so we don't have a problem.
Well, even if you had a problem, it's nothing you can't do, right?
Right. So we were just making sure that you guys are safe. So we just want to let you guys know.
I appreciate that, but my safety is my concern, not yours.
All right.
All right?
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Have a good one.
Hello. Can I get your name and badge number?
Holt 177. So
Okay.
you guys are fine to record. Just don't go onto their property and this private road.
We don't need your directive.
But you can't be on
I don't
private
need your
property.
directive.
So just make sure you're not
I
on
don't
this
need your
private
directive.
road. And just
Get back in your car and go
from
to
this
work.
curb.
You're
back.
dismissed.
Get back in your car
You're good
and
to
go
go.
to work.
Okay, but I'm just letting you know. They just
And
don't want you on
we're
their
letting you know that you're dismissed. You're good to go.
property. Okay.
Okay?
As long as you guys are aware. They
As
don't
long
want
as
your
you're
property,
aware
okay?
that you're dismissed and you're ready, you could go now.
Okay. Awesome.
Name and badge?
Scott Bradley 161.
All right. Have a good day. Be safe out there.
What's your name?
I don't give that information. It's like my lawyer's policy.
Okay. You just asked our name, so I just
You're a
wanted to
public
see if
servant.
You guys were going to be friendly to.
You're a public servant.
But have a good day. Enjoy the sun.
I don't need your unwanted
Here,
directive,
I'll
but-
talk to you the way you're used to. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have a good day, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, I would like the case number. Oh, the call number. The case number or the call number?
Contact their dispatch and grab that.
Oh, are you a sergeant?
You can call our dispatch for the CAD number. They're called
You know that you could give that to us, right? When we ask for it?
You're not committing a crime.
I know, but there's someone called the cops on us, so we want the case number or the call number.
It's on your computer already. I know how your system works.
That's good. It's B2215879.
32215.
She had that little ego, but got taken down. You stay safe and don't drive over nails. You'll get a flat tire.
From the very beginning, the officers acknowledged that the cameramen were standing in a public area and were not breaking the law. Once the legal basis for further intervention had effectively disappeared, continuing to issue commands such as "get back in your car" or "you're dismissed" became difficult to justify. This is one of the central issues that First Amendment audits often examine. Law enforcement officers have the authority to approach individuals and explain the law, but any restriction on a citizen's constitutional rights must be supported by a specific legal basis, not simply because someone is uncomfortable with being recorded.
Good morning. How are you doing? Can you hear me okay with your headphones in? Okay. My name's Deputy Symington with the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. The reason I got called out here, the dispensary here and the managers inside, they're having an issue with you filming due to HIPAA laws because some of the patients that come here are protected by HIPAA, and the customers of the dispensary are really uncomfortable with being filmed as they go through the parking lot here. I understand you're on public property. It's not private property. You're not on their property or anything like that. But due to the issue with the HIPAA violations and stuff like that, they're asking that you move along and stop filming their customers at the dispensary, okay? Do you have any questions on that? Okay, is there any issue you have with that or any reason in particular you're out here? Are you threatened by anybody or is there any other issue like that? No? Were you yelling and screaming at any customers or anything like that? Sir, were you yelling and screaming at anybody today? Can you still hear me? I don't know if you turned your headphones on or off. Sir, the issue that they're having with you filming here is because some of these people are medical patients. So it's a HIPAA violation for you to be filming them as they're getting their medication. Do you have any questions on that or any issues with that?
The First Amendment sucks, doesn't it? What amendment that is? Was it Zimmerman? Is that what it is?
Sorry?
What's the last name?
My last name?
Yeah.
I'm Deputy Simonson with the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office.
Simonson.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. And just like I was telling them...
You get educated?
Sorry?
You get educated?
Did I get educated?
Yeah.
So I'm going to come over here and talk to you the same way I talk to them. Obviously, you're on private or public property. Like I told you the first time I came up, you didn't, as far as I know, you didn't go inside their business or on their private property. So you're just filming out here.
Did you use the HIPAA thing just for the hell of it? Or?
Did I use the HIPAA thing just for the hell of it?
Yeah.
That's what they told me inside.
Yeah. So you should study up on that before you start spouting what idiots say. You know what
Okay.
I mean?
Well,
I mean, this just in the future.
So they're telling me that you're yelling and screaming at them.
Oh, no.
So I'm getting all the information.
But even honestly, even if I was yelling and screaming at him, like if I'm on this, that's my freedom of speech, man.
Okay, but if it causes a disturbance to their business, that's total conduct.
I mean, yeah, you could.
I mean, I understand.
I understand
You're out here, you're riding your bike, you got your shoes on, you're clipped in, you're good to go. You're out here exercising, doing fitness, practicing your right, filming whatever you want to film.
Yeah.
Their concern was, they said that the customers were calling through the window
honestly,
saying this is a
that's
strange
why I'm out here.
outside.
I'm out here to educate them on how close they are to the public property. Let's just say that.
How close they are to
public property.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
And if they have issues with, if patients have issues with all that, they should, you know, invest in a wall or something, or you know.
Okay.
So I'm just educating.
Like I told them, it's no different than you sitting outside of a Walgreens. Not everybody that goes in there is getting prescription medication. Whatever's going on in there. It's a private business. You're on the sidewalk.
You should really study up on that.
Okay, as far as HIPAA laws go, I understand. It's not something that I'm terribly.
Because the only one that can actually break the HIPAA law is the provider.
The people that are safeguarding that information.
I can't.
You don't know who's a patient, who's not a patient.
So if I somehow pick up something on their intercom or some paperwork, that's on them, not me.
I understand.
So just You're cool, man.
Okay. I appreciate you talking to me.
I told him not to call you guys.
There was a bit of a confusion when you didn't want to talk to me the first time.
No,
I know you're doing your thing. You don't have to talk to me.
Yeah.
There's no reason for you to. You're not committing any crimes. It's just I'm investigating what they told me.
Yeah.
Came out here try to get your side of the story.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you as well. Like I said, it is private property, so please refrain from doing that.
I'm not going on their property.
Okay. Good. Good. Appreciate you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Do you really have to stop recording just because someone threatens to call the police? In this video, staff at a dispensary cite Hipe to demand that filming stop, even though the filmer is standing on a public sidewalk. Even the police initially echoed that claim, but once the situation was clarified, they confirmed that no laws were broken, no arrests, no charges, just one simple truth. Recording from a public space is legal. This video is intended for educational purposes, to help viewers understand their rights and remain calm without encouraging any form of confrontation.
I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you.
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on the screen. Click to watch now.
Okay, well,
I mean, this just in the future.
So they're telling me that you're yelling and screaming at them.
Last but certainly not least, we want to give our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team, who dedicated months to these videos to make them possible.